Look, babe, this is like a knockoff version of our car.
A knockoff?
Yeah, because ours is the real version.